Welcome back to the channel, Cat Comrade, and in today's video, we're going to know about a very important issue, that is how to recover a file in AutoCAD. So let's take an example of this file that you have worked on a lot, and something happens and your AutoCAD shuts down, or any software issue happens. So what to do in this case is, you have to there is a command given by AutoCAD which you have to write. It is recover. It's very simple. It's recover, same spelling as recover, and you just press enter. So let's say you have to recover the mistakes in the house X file. So all you have to do is select the house X file, then press on open. So now what we'll do is that, see, uh, AutoCAD itself will find errors in the file, and it will, on its own, if it is a licensed version and it's a genuine version, then I'm sure it will fix the errors in the file. I don't know about the cracked versions, but in the authentic version it will do, and it will tell you that the file was recovered and all your drawings will be in place. And how that simple is to work with AutoCAD. So for this video only, this was it. And if you found it useful, then do subscribe and share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.